Good morning. I am currently just getting ready to go. We are just about to count our money and then we'll probably go out and have some breakfast.
Saturday today in Korea, and we're going for some brunch. Just wanted to note something about crossing in Korea. They don't all play noise like they do in New Zealand. When you go to cross the road, it's silent. Cars don't always stop for you. They tend to drive straight through the red lights.
Going to this place here.
Clay has come out for our breakfast. It's bubbling away in these cast iron pots. Cold buckwheat noodles with ice in it, which is beautiful on a hot day. This soup is yummy. It's got like a nice sour vinegary flavour, but it's real delicious.
What do you reckon, Kona?
This one, blood pudding, sausage, and it tastes just like bullet.
I like this one.
Like a nice creamy. It's like kimchi with tofu and pork. Finished our breakfast. We decided to go for a bit of a bowl.
First drink of the day. We just got a 32cm ice cream. We're just about to go out for dinner. Ribs, I think.
So here we are at a beef Korean barbecue place. Having 1.5 kilos of barbecue beef ribs.
Did you hear that, Donna? Ruben was just saying that you know how it looked deserted when we went in?
Yep.
That's what all those tables were booked out.
So we were quite lucky because we just rolled in there.
There's just pigs on the building right there.
Because today's Saturday whānau, it's a lot more packed, like crazy packed. It's overwhelming, eh? It becomes hard to navigate. All the sidestepping is exhausting me. But hey, it's part of the experience, right? Of being in a country that has so much more people.
And there's just, we call it scooters, just going through the crowd.
If I know the ice cream here was so good, we decided to come back for more. It's hot. It's like 20 something degrees here at night. It's hot and we just want like this yummy ass ice cream. It's about $2. I think $2.30 New Zealand for 32cm ice cream. It's so good. Highly recommend. What we've noticed in this area is a mixture of like first world and third world infrastructure. Like this here reminds me of when I went to Vietnam, like just crazy cables. Not as bad though.
And then there's some clean ones over there.
Hey, so we just been for a walk around the market a bit. Had ice cream.
Still eating mine.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. And now we decided to get a bit of a pizza. It looked really good. Ben got one, so we decided we wanted to have a try, see how the Koreans make their pepperoni pizza. But yeah, no, it's pretty cool here. This is a bit more quiet part of the street, you see. A lot less people are hanging around.
It's a Saturday night, so it's really busy.
Yeah, it's getting busier, but I'll tell you what, we've seen some pretty flash cars. We've seen Aston Martin, a Ferrari, a Tesla, what else have we seen? Just around a Porsche and McLaren.
Yeah, McLaren.
Just hanging around the market. So lots of Land Rovers here too. And something I've noticed as well is that there's very few old cars in the city, at least.
No toilets,
No public toilets around.
And no rubbish bins.
Yeah, very little rubbish bins, very little public toilets, very hard to find.